Hello student, today we are going to learn lesson number 19, properties of magnetic field. In previous class we have learned about types of magnetic and non-magnetic substances, discovery of magnet and uses of magnet in daily life. Magnetic needle. A magnetized needle that can freely rotate in horizontal plane is used to indicate the north and south direction. Magnetic needle is used in magnetic compass to indicate the direction. Magnetic field. The region or space around the magnet in which the magnetic force acts on an object is called magnetic field. The magnetism of magnet acts upon a certain distance from the magnet. Magnetic lines of force. The invisible lines going from one to another end of the magnetic strip are called magnetic lines of force. Properties of magnetic lines of force. Magnetic lines of force are connecting imaginary lines. Faraday explained the magnetic attraction and repulsion with the help of it. Magnetic lines of force always start from North Pole and end to the South Pole. Magnetic lines of force are in a state of tension like a stretched string. Magnetic lines of force repel each other. Magnetic lines of force do not intersect each other. The number of magnetic lines of force at a particular point determines the strength of the magnetic field in that region. Magnetic force is a vector quantity. Intensity of magnetic field. Intensity of magnetic field in a particular area can be understood by the number of field lines passing perpendicular through that unit area. Intensity of magnetic field is less in the area of magnetic field where the lines of force are less dense, and the intensity is more where the lines of force are more concentrated. Electromagnet. A temporary magnetism is produced in an iron when an electric current is passed through a soft iron strip. If the current is stopped, the electromagnet loses magnetism. This type of magnet is called an electromagnet. Metal detector and their uses. The function of metal detector is based on the properties of electromagnet. These machines are used for inspection of persons entering very important places such as airports, bus stand, certain temples and buildings. Metal detectors are used to detect very precious articles and to detect any iron or steel objects mixed unknowingly in foodstuffs which can be harmful to the health. In geology, these detectors are used to detect the presence and quantity of metals.